The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting technique that divides after-tax income into needs, wants, and savings plus debt repayment. This approach provides a clear framework for allocating money, aiding in effective financial management. Needs encompass essential expenses such as housing, transportation, food, and healthcare. Wants include non-essential expenses like entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. Savings and debt repayment cover investments, emergency funds, and paying off outstanding debts. By categorizing expenses, individuals gain better control over their spending habits and financial well-being. Allocate 50% of income to needs, which are essential expenses required for living. Needs typically include housing costs such as rent or mortgage payments. Transportation, food, utilities, and healthcare also constitute essential needs. Prioritizing needs ensures that fundamental requirements are met before allocating funds to other areas. Allocate 30% of income to wants, covering non-essential items that enhance lifestyle, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Wants include non-essential items that enhance lifestyle. Allocate 20% of income to savings and debt repayment. Savings include contributions to emergency funds and retirement accounts. Debt repayment includes paying down outstanding debts. Effective allocation ensures financial stability and lifestyle enhancement.